Time's going. All right, there you go. All right, class, so we've just finished up a whole bunch of lessons on volts, amps, resistors. So now this is a little bit of an assessment for you. So the objective today is to use the Ohm's law, ding, 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 right, to solve for the unknown resistor value. So we've tested some resistors, basically where thermal energy goes out, so like a wire, light bulb, a switch. Okay, so we've put all those in there. Well, now what we're going to do is you're going to take different resistors today in this circuit. Okay, so we've got some of them marked with 10 ohms, 15 ohms. Then we have one that's marked black box or unknown. Okay, so your job is going to be to set this up. You've got the battery, you got your positive, negative end, you got your voltmeter and your amp meter. Now remember, the tricky part here, when you're measuring volts, the two plugins need to be over here on that right side of your voltmeter. Okay, now when you switch it to amps, remember, you got to pull that one out and put it in that other side. The one that says 20A is the one that works for us. We know it makes that squealing voice, but we're okay with that. Okay, turn that dial, remember, so when you're doing amps, it's pointing down here. Find that number that corresponds with where we plugged it in. And then when you're doing volts, make sure you turn it back up there. Okay, once again, you should know your battery is 1.5 volts, so go until you see that reading that's really close to that. Okay, well, then put in the 5 ohm resistor and fill out your data table. Now, you should all have this data table. You should all know how to make a data table, I hope, by now. So you got your resistors, you're going to record your volts, you're going to record your amps. So you have to do that. So put one resistor in, get your volts, switch it over, move your cables around, get your other one. Okay? Now, realistically, we should be able to prove all this using this equation. Okay? Plug in the numbers, you should be able to prove that that's true using this equation. Okay? Do that for the three that you know. Then for the unknown, remember, take the resistor, put the other one aside, put the other one in. Okay, do that all the way down. Then the unknown, you put that in there, do the same thing, but now you don't know this value. So that's our goal to try to find and figure that out. Well, by doing that, you're going to get your volts and your amps, plug in the equation, and you should be able to piece it together. What is this made out of? Now, you know me, I'm kind of ornery. I might put a trick in there. So think about it. All right?